Yo, what's going on, traders? What's up, team? I hope you're all having a lovely time. It's Raphael back again. Another profitable day, another profitable week. I hope that you guys participated. This week was beautiful. Today I took 2 more trades, made some more money today. I shared it for free. I shared all my entries and exits for free in my free Telegram channel. So if you're new to this channel, check the links in the description down below. Join the free Telegram channel, okay? If you need help, you can drop me a private message in Telegram as well. So, what we did, guys, let's go over the results real quick. So, for today, I didn't took that much risk because I wanted to make sure that I'm going to finish this week profitable. As you all know, we took some profits, I think, on Tuesday. Tuesday, we made like 3%, something like that, 3.1%. So I didn't risk more than 2.5% today, okay? Because I wanted to make sure that we ended up making money. First trade, we got stopped out at break even. I closed at around break even. And yeah, second trade was a winner. Hit the first target, then came all the way back. We're going to talk about that for sure. But yeah, overall, guys. Wait, let me go. This week started, I think, 6th of August. Yeah, so for this week we are up 4.5%. For August we are up 6.1%. And overall for the year, guys, we're getting closer. We're getting closer to my target of 200%. We are at 191%. 9% left until I doubled this account 2 times this year. Yeah. I'm trading 1.26 million, but I'm going to make a withdrawal. So I'm basically trying to trade this account with like $1 million and withdraw my profits on a regular basis, taking 3 to 5% risk, depending on the setup, depending on the day. And yeah, it's a live account. We made some good money this year. Okay, that being said, guys, let's get into the charts. Let's talk about today's 2 trading opportunities that I took.
This video is sponsored by AAAFX, one of the brokers that I'm using for my trading. Guys, I will put the links down below in the description if you're looking for a regulated broker. AAAFX is the one to go. And the other broker that I love to use, it's an unregulated broker, it's Trade. I just love the way they work with crypto deposits and withdrawals and all that stuff, and they make an amazing job. So make sure to check both brokers out. I will put the links down below in the description.
Alright, guys, so let's check the 50-minute chart real quick. We started that week over here. This was Monday's opening. This is how the market was going up and down and up and down. So we took these 2 trades on Tuesday. As you can see, first one was a loss, second one was a winner, so we ended up with like 3.1% profit. Then on Wednesday I was not taking any trades. Market was just coming down. I mean, somewhere in here we could have probably taken a beautiful buy opportunity, but I was not involved in that kind of movement. Then yesterday was CPI. Big news event. As you can see, market was moving violently to the upside. Just got above Wednesday's highs, snapped back pretty strong, came back below Wednesday's lows as well. So it was a kind of a whipsaw in both directions. As we all know, news events, they just going up and down like crazy, tricking buyers into the markets, tricking sellers into the market, stopping them out. Like, it's not easy to trade these kind of events, and I prefer to stay out. That's why I didn't took any trades Wednesday, Thursday. I just enjoyed my life, to be honest. Was just chilling. And yeah, today I decided to, I was really, let me be honest, I was looking for beautiful buy trade today. I thought we're gonna slash through these highs in here. I mean, I was not aiming for that because I know it's the chance that this happens is not that big. But I wanted to see some bullish pressure, guys. I mean, we took out Thursday's lows, and then I was waiting for a reversal sign on the smaller time frames. So let me check the 5-minute time frame, guys. As you can see, market was going down with a beautiful structure. and somewhere in here I understood this thing wants to move up. So I decided to get in somewhere in here at around 15,033. In this area, had my stop sitting below the low with a little bit of room for error. Yeah, I just got in here. Market gave us a beautiful push, hitting 15,100. Man, I was too greedy. Let's be honest, I was too greedy. I didn't took any profits. I could have easily closed 50%, maybe 80% on that big figure number, 15,100, which is a psychological resistance level where price loves to bounce. On top of that, it's like one of the strong resistance zone in here on top of that. So I could have closed in here. I was pretty much aiming for their equal highs in here. I thought the market would slash through them before coming back down again, or maybe continuing to the upside, but man, I was too greedy. I thought like I know it better. Didn't took profits. Market came all the way back. I decided to close at break even with a micro loss, not that big of a deal. And I understood this thing wants to go down now, because you can see the structure breaks in here again with a lot of momentum on that candle in here. Market came down with a lot of momentum, and I was like, okay, we probably going to get below 15,000. My first target was like 14,987, 85, somewhere in this area. I wanted to take profits, and this is what I did here on this candle. I closed 90% in here, took some profits, let the rest run, closed that rest just like 10 minutes ago with break even. Like the last 10% of my position I closed at break even here. Was able to bank another 1.5% today, which adds up to 4.5% for this week. Yeah guys, that was pretty much my thought process. I hope it was helpful. I hope that you guys have banked on these trades as well. If you're not inside the free Telegram chat, again guys, join the free Telegram channel. If you need some help, you can drop me a private message. This weekend I'm going to fly to Cyprus. I'm going to spend some time with my girl. We're gonna have some fun on the island, enjoy the sunshine, and yeah, let's see. I think I'm going to trade anyways, because I'm not trading that much at all. Like I trade 1-2 days in a week for 1 or 2 hours, that's it. Like that's all I'm doing. Like I really focus on quality trades, and this is what you guys should do as well, because we're not making money when we take a lot of trades, guys. You all know that. We have to take good trades, guys, and just wait for these beautiful opportunities, you know. Yeah, I hope that I can help some of you guys out there, and yeah, if I can help you, just let me know with a thumbs up. YouTube loves it. And if you drop a comment down below, you can participate in the next giveaway, because I'm going to give away the Genius Trading Masterclass course to one of you guys in the comment section. So if you're not inside yet, and if you want to learn my trading strategies and all that stuff, risk management, trade management, everything that I got, drop a comment down below and stay tuned on this channel, guys. I'm going to make a giveaway like maybe next week, where I'm going to pick some winners, and I hope that you guys are one of the lucky ones. Yeah, wish you a lovely day, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Take care. Peace. Have a lovely weekend.
running in the road.